Hello everybody and welcome to A Joyful Clay Tutor. My name is Tressa and in this video I would like to talk about modeling clay. My niece bought me some modeling clay for Christmas and I'm opening up the package and I'm going to show you guys how to use it. I'm going to give you 6 different tips on how this clay works. So when you open up modeling clay, tip number 1. Modeling clay is an oil-based clay, and it does not dry out, which means it is not an air-dry clay, nor is it a clay that you can bake in the oven. If you bake it in the oven, it will melt. So don't bake it, and it will not dry out if you work with it. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2, when you open up this clay, it comes in cellophane package, so you've got to take it out of the package and when you take it out of the package, it feels really smooth. It stretches very well. It doesn't have any smell, no smell to it, and it's ready to work. So that's tip number 3. When you take it out of the package, it's ready to work with immediately. So you can start to sculpt with it. I'm going to make a teddy bear real quick to show you guys how to make a teddy bear. So you roll it out like this. Take a ball. So ready right out of the package. You can make balls and snakes and squares, whatever you want to make. So you can sculpt with it. That's tip number 4, is you can sculpt with it. So I'm gonna make a teddy bear right here. Making little snakes. And its stickability is really well, it sticks to itself. So as you sculpt with it, the clay sticks to itself quite well. So that's the bear that I just made.
What is she going to say?
Okay, so tip number 5. You can mix colors with it. You can take 2 different colors and you can mix it together. Take red and yellow, and you can make orange. You can take yellow and green and make blue, or yellow and you can make different colors. I took red and yellow, and I made orange. So you can mix colors well. That's tip number 5. Is this clay mixes colors quite well. You can see that's the same exact color. So this clay, tip 5 is it mixes very well together. And finally, tip number 6. Tip number 6. This is not a messy clay. You can roll it out on the table and virtually it doesn't stick to the table. So, there you have it. You can buy this clay, this modeling clay. Like this, it comes modeling clay. You can buy it at Walmart, the dollar store, wherever you can find cheap modeling clay. And that's how it works. And I hope you give me a thumbs up on my video and subscribe to my channel. And give me a thumbs up because I'd like to be liked. Thank you.